Hello, today we'll show you how to set up your Xiaomi Mi Max 3. First, let's start by pressing this forward button and selecting our language. English, United Kingdom sounds okay, so let's go. Now we can select our region. United Kingdom also sounds okay. Now we can connect to a network, or if there's an open network, the phone will connect itself, or we can just skip it. I'll go with this. Now we can select if we've read the terms and service and privacy policy and select forward. Now the phone will check our SIM card, or if there is one. If there isn't one, we can still skip this step and go further. The phone will also check if there are any updates and ask us if we want to copy our data or set up as new. Let's select get a fresh start. Now the phone will also ask us to sign in into our Google account. If you want to, you can just put your email and password and that will be it for signing, or we can just skip it. And skip it again, because without a Google account you can't use Google Play and other services. And here we can see which Google services we want to approve or turn off, and accept and go further. Anything else, we also can add another email account or just select no thanks. And now the Mi Cloud needs permission, got it. We can allow Mi Cloud to back up a lot of our data if we want to, just simply by pressing allow. And now let's sign in into our Mi account, or we can just skip it once again if we want to. Yes, skip. Now we can set a password by fingerprint or only a screen lock, or now even nothing at all. Now we have additional settings like location, user experience program, send diagnostic data, update automatically the phone, personalized ad recommendations. And here we can even choose what theme we'd like to use. And just like that, the setup is complete and the phone is now loading applications to be ready to use. And just like that, our phone is ready to be used and in working condition. So, I really hope this video helped you, and if it did, please leave a like and subscribe.